In this video, we're going to look at patterns in division. So this first example, we start by looking at 12 divided by 6. I hope you know that 12 divided by 6 is 2. How many 6s can we take out of 12? 2. So this next one, instead of 12, we have 120 divided by 6. So if we're splitting 12 into groups of 6, we can get 2 groups. If we're splitting 120 into groups of 6, I hope you can visualize that we're going to have 20 groups. You could check this on a calculator if you want. If you're really committed, you could draw out 120 dots and split them into 6 groups of 6. But essentially, you'll start to notice the similarity with the zeros. Remember fact families with multiplication. 6 times 20 is 120. So 120 divided by 6 is 20. 1 0 there, 1 0 there. Which I'm guessing you'll be able to guess then for this next one. Again, 2 will be in our answer. We have 1,200,000 divided by 6. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So similarly, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros in our answer. 6 times 200,000 is 1,200,000. 1,200,000 divided by 6 is 200,000. 5 zeros, 5 zeros. This example is similar but different, again completing the pattern. 24 divided by 8 is 3, because I know that 3 times 8 is 24. So now again I'm thinking, okay, what times 800 equals 2,400? So this is a bit different in that this number is getting bigger, the divisor, not the quotient, which is the answer. So actually 2,400 or 2,400 divided by 800, still 3. You can check it on your calculator if you don't believe me. You'll notice that the zeros cancel out. Same here, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. So really we're still just doing 24 divided by 8, even though it's now 24,000 divided by 8,000, still 3. 3 times 8,000, 24,000. 3 times 800, 2,400. 3 times 8, 24. And our last example, a little bit of algebraic thinking here. 27 divided by what equals 3. You could also think 3 times what equals 27. I'm hoping in terms, you're so familiar by now with the fact families that you know it's 9. 27 divided by 9. The hint would have been also here. 77 divided by 9 is 3. 3 times 9 is 27. So, what divided by 900 equals 3? Notice there's no zeros in our answer. There's 2 zeros here, so they must have canceled out. So I'm going to say 27 with 2 zeros, because then just like in the last question, those 2 will cancel out with those, and then we'll still be doing 27 divided by 9 is 3. Same thing here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. They're going to cancel each other out. We're still doing 27 divided by 9 is 3. That's it for this section. Good luck.